This video is about the Weldtech Wt160 MIG, ARC and lift arc TIG. We have a switch on the front which we can put into the arc mode, and we can set our electrode and earth lead in, and we can do arc welding. We can set it up as a MIG welder. This particular machine will do gas shielded wire as well as it will do gasless wire. And with the buying of an optional TIG torch, you can do lift arc DC TIG, which will allow you to TIG weld stainless steel, mild steel and chrome moly. The normal function of this machine is in the MIG mode. We have two LED lights here. One shows the voltage and one shows the amperage. When you're setting up the machine, the LEDs will show 0. This is absolutely correct. They are called real-time meters. When you are welding, it will show the voltage that you're using at the top and the amperage that the machine is producing at the bottom. The Wt160 Weldtech has a MIG torch which is 2.6 meters long and is permanently connected to the machine itself. This has some advantages in cost and practical use. Now we're going to talk about, we're in the MIG mode. Our LEDs are both set at 0. I'm using gasless wire. We'll put this little lead in here, and when we're using solid wire, we'll take that and put that in there, and we'll put the earth in whichever one is vacant for us. We set the switch to the MIG little here, and now we can control our voltage with this one here. The higher the knob, the higher the voltage we get, the more energy we get into the workpiece. This one here is our wire speed. The more we turn this, the faster the wire is going to come out, and we need to match the right amount of feed for the right amount of voltage. A good starting point is if we set that up at 4 and we set that up at 5, we can work up and down from there, and we will increase or decrease the wire speed until we get the sound that is correct. When fitting the TIG torch, which is an optional extra, you have to get a special torch. It has to have the right fitting on the end and the right fitting to fit the regulator. So when putting the TIG torch in, we connect it into there, and we connect the TIG torch into there, and our hose goes up to our regulator, which you'll have to also make sure you have available to you, and that'll screw onto the thing, and then this will screw onto an argon bottle. You must use argon. Argon is the only gas that you use for TIG welding. When setting up with the TIG welder, you must remember that a DC TIG will not do aluminium. So we're looking at chrome moly, stainless steel and mild steel. When putting the TIG torch together, we take the back cap off, we screw in our collet, our collet body goes in there like that. We put in our tungsten, which we sharpen. So we fit our collet body, we fit our tungsten into our collet, and we put it into our TIG torch. We put our back cap on, not tightening it all the way up at this stage. We put our ceramic on, and then we set it to about 8 mil out, and we turn the valve on to control our gas, and we're ready to set up for TIG welding.